Hi guys, you can also create multiple choice question using ChatGPT. How to create multiple choice question using ChatGPT? Go open ChatGPT, log in with your user ID and password, and here type in create a multiple choice question regarding cities of USA. Create a multiple choice question regarding cities of USA and press enter. And you can see a multiple choice question will now successfully created by ChatGPT. Which city is known as the city of Windy City? And correct answer also you will find. The another question is top 10 create top 10 multiple choice question MCQ of chapter light in physics. Press enter and you can see a lot of top 10 multiple choice question with answer ChatGPT will provide. However, you will have to verify its correctness from another source. Also, it is recommended to verify the correctness of answer from other resources.